Hi, Baba. Let's go, Baba. Let's go. Warren, move. Okay, open the door. Okay, go. Go. Slowly. Slowly. So excited man na oy, bata. So excited to go. Oh, books. All right. Go. 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 Move, mommy, no space. Musa.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta try.
Morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Welcome to our vlog.
Plaza, going to practice.
Yes, we're gonna send him to the practice. Kuya is going to school for his another practice.
Wait, what?
It's a school-related practice. Warren is going to the soccer. He's late now, guys. An hour late.
He's taking his head off. What? Sorry.
Oh, 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 bumpy ride. Oh, oh.
He's doing 6-7. Dude, I just finished the video. I appreciate that, man. Oh, where's he gone, bro? I want to
No, it's the start of summer na, no?
Dance. Oh, yeah.
Okay, go, Warren.
Ta.
Oh, your charger. Oops, stay here. Ay, he doesn't have water. Warren. There's no water there. Hey, don't cry.
You can buy one.
Oh, Kuya's charger. Hi, guys. So, nandito na pala kami sa plaza. Kindrop na namin si Warren and Kuya. And then, Warren, nakalimutan niya yung water niya. So, hindi pwede na wala siyang water while doing the practice. Especially, it's hot. So, Daddy is buying water in 7-Eleven. Just stay, Baba. Baba. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Ay, you have runny nose na side. Ang pangga ni Mami, oh. Pangga ni Mami. Gisipon ang pangga ni Mami. Kiss ko, be. Kiss ko. Kiss, Mami. Thank you. Daddy, san? Hi. Morning. Ah.
Aki sa baba. Gusto mo kada buksan na. Aki sa baba, aki sa baba. Hi.
Hi, friends. Long time no see.
But now see na.
Busy rin. Yeah, busy. Yeah. Players.
Delicious.
New players.
How many? Like
9.
nine new players. Ay, stay here.
Hey, kick.
Hi.
Welcome back again.
Baba. Biyaan ng mama. Here, huh? Hot? No, it's not hot. The bucket fries. No corned beef. Oh, it's hot. Thank you. Is it hot? We got the bucket fries. Hot cake. Blow some, blow. So Baba got the burger. I got the chicken breakfast. Daddy got the beef. Corned beef. Yummy. He's hungry. And then share lang kami iced tea. Oh, thank you.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Hope us crazy, but things are finally right. Do you know the future is now? You know we got it.
Bahay na kami, guys. Ang aking kape nandito. Hey, stop it. He's playing with my turning disc. Aking kape nandito pa pala. I will finish my coffee. It's not hot, but it's okay. Hey, Dad! Hey, Dad! Oh, JR might have finished the CR na window. Oh, it's finished.
The lights on?
No, the...
Oh, that?
It's done na, guys. My rails na. That it's there.
Look,
Lah.
the bros, it goes like
Huh?
going down. I think it's gonna that 6.9 earthquake.
Yeah. He's complaining about this one, guys. Cracks, and then the ceiling. The ceiling are also cracking. It's from the earthquake. No? The house gonna collapse. Pagdali na, pag-iris na. So singot, and then you didn't change. Okay, I'm gonna edit first so that I can upload and then go from there. Today is a lazy day. We're not doing anything. There's no schedule. Except for later, may meeting ang club. But later pa yun. Guys, I'm gonna make rice, guys, because it's already almost lunch na. Buti na lang bumalik na yung electricity. We had run out this morning. And why there's no water? Okay, there's water. So I'm gonna make rice. Kaya nagtali tayo ng buhok kasi mainit kanina. And Hindi ako masyado nagtatali ng buhok, only when I'm doing something and then it gets hot. Oh, our baby is sleeping. Kaya dalian natin ang ating pagluluto. And then I forgot to take the frozen meat out. Plano ko sanang magluto ng menudo, pork menudo. Maybe later na lang sa gabi. Pero may meeting kami mamaya at 3 p.m. Siguro mag-ano na lang, mag-buy na lang kami food outside if ever late na. But I'm just gonna make rice in case. Maybe mag-buy na lang tayo ng chicken. Wala naman tayong ibang mahanap dito sa province. This is chicken. It's either you eat chicken or chicken or chicken. Chicken inasal, roasted chicken, or fried chicken. May mga liempo. Pero guys, ang nipis ng liempo right now, like that. And then ganyan lang. Ang mahal, 180. My God. So, I'd rather cook na lang. Yung mga anak ko, nagsasnack yan. Their peanut butter and bread. So, hindi pa yan gutom. Alright, so rice will be cooked anytime. Tingnan natin kung ano yung maluto natin para sa mga bata. Kuya Vince, mamaya pa yun. 3 o'clock pa ang out niya. May performance task kasi sila, guys. You know, it's almost their summer vacation. So, they have to complete their performance task or else di masign ang kanilang clearance. So, I have here chicken curry. Yan, okay pa ito para sa mga bata. Initin ko lang. And then, meron din akong pinakbit. Ang sa pinakbit, akin na lang tong pinakbit. Ito. Okay pa to sa akin. Sa mga bata, yung chicken curry. And then, hindi na tayong magluto. Yan na lang yung iinitin natin for our lunch. Meron kaming snack dito. Kala ni Daddy. Gusto ito sa mga bata. Parang alternative ng Oreo. It's called Bakersville Chocolate Sandwich Cookie. Hindi naman kinakain ng mga bata. Pagkakainin nila yan, if wala na talaga silang makita na snack. So, nag-export na ako ng aking file. It's ready to be uploaded. So, may upload tayo na video later. So, guys, the windows, yung window rails na ginawa pinakita ko sa inyo, it's done. So, nagawa na ni JR. I-install na niya sa Windows. So, okay na itong natin, bahay. Our farmhouse is now secured at least. Ito yung kitchen window. And then, yan o. Kita niyo? There. Meron na siyang window rails. Yan, ipakuha ko yan. Kasi dyan pumapatong si JR nung nag-install siya. And then, dito kinuha ko na yung drum. Nilipat ko doon. Ito, okay na to. O, diba guys? Kita nyo guys? Sa likod dito ng farmhouse ha. So, at least, I feel safe na. kahit aalis kami. Yan. Tapos yung CR, isang CR, meron na din. Yan. At least we can leave the house without, anxiety or without hesitation na, oh, there might be coming back or something like that, I don't know. I just feel like I always get scared na to leave the house. Meron akong ginawa na yan, nag-ano na siya. Meron na siyang bagong leaves. Mga nag-sprout na. Stem lang yan. Nakat ko sa outside. Okay. I will try to edit another video para tuloy-tuloy yung upload natin. Super init sa labas, guys. As in, it's summer na. I can feel the heat. So, si JR, since natapos na yung window, nag-grass cutter siya. Because I want him to work on the walls. Do the repainting, this wall. Yan, ipa-repaint ko yan sa kanya. And then, today is Saturday. Tomorrow, Sunday, wala siyang trabaho. So, sabi niya, he will do that next week on Monday na. This wall. Mag-paint siya on Monday na para tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho and hindi masyado maalikabok. Because I have to move. I have to move the couches and I don't know where to put them. Maybe over there. Pero yes, I want this repainting. It's super ugly na, guys. So right now, he's just doing, there guys, kita niyo siya sa labas. He's just doing grass cutting to kill time. Because we need it anyway. Para malinis yung paligid natin. Ito. I'm just gonna heat this up and then Mark is asking me to cook eggs for him. Gusto niya mag-eggs. So, luto tayo ng eggs.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. Best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark.
Hi guys. Lumabas kami saglit. Because Daddy is asking for food. We went outside, na. The Baba is so happy. Just a quick drive to get food, get dinner. Yes.
I think my timing might be right.
Chaba waba. Chaba baba. Chaba baba. We're just gonna grab chicken, roasted chicken, and then go back home. Yeah? Eat! We're here na sa house, guys. So, ito yung nabili natin. Dalawang roasted chicken pala ang kinuha ni Daddy. 2 roasted chickens. Yeah? Excited to eat? Our Baba is hungry. He wants to eat. Oh, he wants the Coke. My God, that's bad, Baba. Minsan lang naman kami magko-coke, guys. Parang nag-crave si Daddy ng coke today. And chicken. Roasted chicken. Okay? Okay, wash your hands. We're gonna eat na.